My dear children, we have we have done the reading of chapter 8, The Red Dogs. Today we will do exercises. So be ready with your pencil and just start writing. You should complete your work properly and neatly. First is read chapter 8 and complete the summary with the correct form of the verb or phrases from the box. The dolls who destroyed. Destroyed. Everything around them killed Vontola's family. Mowgli then ran off into the jungle to see how many dolls there were. As he ran, he tripped. Tripped. Something he did not notice that his old friend Kaa was right in front of him, and he fell fell flat on his face with the great python curled up curled beside him. Mowgli talked about the problem with the dolls. Kaa agreed to show his young friend how to kill the red dogs. They would get the dolls to chase Mowgli over the bee rock. Then the dolls that the bees did not kill would be drowned drowned in the river. Fill in the crossword down. Children, you will write the answer here. Afterwards, you will fill the boxes. The opposite of stressed, calm, CALM. To put someone or something in a place where nobody can see or find them. Hide, HIDE. To completely ruin something forever. Destroy, DESTROY. People who have killed others or animals. Hunters, HUNTERS. To run after something or something, to run after someone or something in order to catch them. Chase, chase. The feeling you have when you think you are in danger. Fear, fear. The opposite of south, north, NORTH, north. Across, you are this when somebody runs after you to catch you. Hunted, hunted. Humans and animals are these. Creatures, CREATURES, creatures. A very powerful force that cause bad things to happen. Evil, EVIL. The power to use forces that can make impossible things happen, such as making things disappear. Magic, MAGIC, magic. A sharp pain you feel when an insect bites you. Sting, STING, sting. To die because you have been pushed underwater and cannot breathe. Drown, DROWN, drown. Plants such as lettuce and carrots that you can cook and eat. Vegetables. The drops of liquid that come out of your eyes when you cry. Tears. Now exercise 8, children, you will do in your notebook. Why do you think Kaa agreed to help Mowgli fight the dolls? Kaa agreed to help Mowgli fight the dolls because he liked Mowgli. Second question, who is the strongest, cleverest person you know? What is special about that person? Answer, Mowgli is the strongest, cleverest person I know. He is special because he was able to live in the jungle for a long time. Now extracts, page 52. Mowgli still did not run hunt with the pack, but the wolves listened to him when he spoke at their meetings at Council Rock. Answer, this means that the wolves still had love and respect for Mowgli. Page 53. Kaa, there you are. You grow bigger each time I, Mowgli, see you. There is no one as strong, clever, and beautiful as you. Answer, Mowgli praised Kaa in order to seek his help. Page 53. It is true that I, Mowgli, am a man, but tonight I am a wolf again. Answer. Mowgli was faithful towards the wolves and wanted to help them. My dear children, with this we completed the chapter. You also note it down in your notebooks and books neatly and revise the chapter and learn it. Thank you.